Welcome to Motivation at Hand, Ma. To know is to know how. Make your foot the foot that counts. Workforce of tomorrow. Do not want to borrow. With challenges to rebound. To stand tall and stand our ground. To survive with a hearts unconfined, a spirit of resilience is on our mind. In the face of change, we find our way. With inner drive, we seize the day. For in our actions, we truly see the power to shape our destiny. No waiting for others to pave the road. Do it yourself, we bear the load. In our own hands, the future lies. So let us embrace this truth, again. As self-driven souls, we touch the skies. DIY our paths will mend. A world to be transformed, is a demand. The do-it-yourself, DIY, community recognizes the importance of self-sufficiency and the necessity of skills in fostering adaptability and resilience as a lifestyle. With passion and purpose, within our hands. These skills align with the DIY's concept of agency and the ability of individuals to navigate changing work environments. The report from the World Economic Forum's October 21, 2020 report provides valuable insights into how the work environment is evolving and the skills people need to succeed. When we look at this from a grassroots, do-it-yourself, DIY, perspective in communities that must actively seek out resources, the significance of self-discipline becomes paramount. At the World Economic Forum of 2020 listed the top 10 skills of 2025. Be mindful they speak from the powers of industry. In this context, we can see that social structures, institutions, and policies play a crucial role in helping individuals adapt to these changing conditions. However, for communities that are resource-constrained and largely self-reliant, self-discipline and self-motivation become indispensable. People within these communities must take the initiative to acquire new skills, seek out opportunities, and support one another in their endeavors. It is essential for individuals in these communities to understand and harness the benefits of reskilling for themselves and their neighbors. Therefore, self-reliance and discipline at the local level are vital components in ensuring that the opportunities presented by the evolving world of work are accessible to all. The report underscores 10 significant trends in the evolving job landscape and the imperative for individuals and organizations to adapt to these changes. 1. Social equity and inequality. The report's emphasis on reskilling and the evolution of job roles brings to the forefront issues of social equity and inequality. It is essential to scrutinize how these reskilling opportunities are distributed among different social groups, including marginalized communities, minorities, and individuals with varying levels of access to education and technology. Addressing these disparities is not only a moral imperative but also critical for the long-term social cohesion and stability of societies. The impact of reskilling programs on reducing or exacerbating existing social inequalities and advocating for inclusive policies that ensure a fair distribution of opportunities. 2. Reskilling imperative. The report of 2020 highlights a compelling statistic. By 2025, an estimated 50% of the global workforce will require reskilling. This substantial figure is driven by the increasing adoption of technology in various industries. This phenomenon presents a complex challenge as individuals, communities, and societies must adapt to these shifting employment dynamics. 3. Skills in demand. It is noteworthy that critical thinking and problem-solving skills are anticipated to be at the forefront of skill demands. These skills are critical for addressing the multifaceted challenges presented by the rapidly changing job market. 4. Emergence of self-management skills. The report identifies a novel trend in the emergence of self-management skills such as active learning, resilience, stress tolerance, and flexibility. they also underscore the importance of psychological and emotional well-being in the workplace. 5. Disruption and adaptation. The concept of double disruption resulting from the economic impacts of the pandemic and increasing automation is particularly relevant. This dual disruption can lead to economic disparities and social dislocation, necessitating comprehensive research and policy responses. 6. Technology as a tool for transformation. The report presents an optimistic view of technology as a means to create jobs and facilitate learning. This perspective aligns with economist and sociological discussions on the role of technology in shaping societies and empowering individuals. However, it also raises questions about access and equity in technology-driven reskilling initiatives. 7. Cross-cutting skills. The mention of specialized skills in product marketing, digital marketing, and human-computer interaction as cross-cutting skills underscores the interdisciplinary nature of the evolving job market. Economists and sociologists are keenly interested in how individuals acquire and apply these skills in diverse social contexts. 8. Duration of reskilling. The duration of reskilling programs is highlighted, with a majority of business leaders expecting employees to acquire new skills on the job. This trend reflects the importance of lifelong learning, a concept that humanities and economists have to continue to explore in depth. 9. Training methods. The shift towards online learning platforms and external consultants for reskilling aligns with a broader discussion. Pointed out the changing nature of education and the role of institutions in providing lifelong learning opportunities. 10. Pandemic acceleration. The report underscores the acceleration of online reskilling during the pandemic. This phenomenon has implications for social structures, including education systems and labor markets, and requires further humanities analysis. The DIY community found a way, with courage and hope, come what may, to write the chapters of our tales in this world, where dreams set sail. So let us, with hearts unafraid, forge ahead in this self-made crusade. With resilience and strength, our flag unfurled. DIY. We shape our world. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon.